Coco the Parrot became the latest YouTube sensation, captivating viewers with her hilarious attempts at mimicry. Despite being touted as an exceptional imitator, Coco's effort to replicate her owner's laughter went sideways, coming out as a series of funny squawks. Her endearing errors didn't stop there, as she tried to recite her owner's phone ringtone and instead produced a whimsical melody that left everyone chuckling. Each failed attempt didn't bother Coco, who strutted confidently afterward, seemingly proud of her unique renditions. This delightful spectacle of imperfect mimicry not only evokes laughter, but also highlights the lovable quirks birds bring into our lives, charming viewers with every misstep Coco takes.